Hi, I'm Sally Thibault, and here's a little about me right here. Well, I can't wait to meet you at the AVA conference coming up in March in Brisbane, where I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets to smashing through self-sabotage. Did you know that over 90% of entrepreneurs experience what's called the impostor syndrome at some stage in building their business? So in this session, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 aspects to the imposter syndrome, how they started, and how you can release them. And I'll also be sharing with you my signature program, the 2 in 20 principle, a way to turn your shoulds into cans easily, simply, time effectively, and how it actually gives you more time in your day. I can't wait to meet you in March at the AVA conference, and let's smash through that self-sabotage once and for all. I'll see you then.